Today we're putting a brush blade to the test. I bought one blade that I'm hoping will do all of this, the little trees, the brush, the grass. We're gonna put this brush blade to the test to see if it can do everything, one blade, without having to change anything out. Stick around. There's a lot of blades that you can use to do this type of work. You can get a shredder blade, a tri-blade, a saw blade. I'm going with this beast right here. This is a carbide tipped sawtooth blade. It's got 50 blades. It's 9 inches in diameter and it's got carbide tips on it. I've attached this blade to the Shindaiwa split shaft weed whacker. And what we have to do is we got to go through all of this brush over here. So we have goldenrod, we've got some picker bushes, we got some thorn bushes, we got a little bit of poison ivy in there. We have this hydrangea looking thing. We got some boxelder stuff. We've got some trees around 1 inch in diameter. We've got some vines over here that are choking out this apple tree. Maybe we can help out this apple tree a little bit. Looks like it's getting close to the end of its life. As you can see, we've got some critters running around the yard. We've got this little run here. We've got this run down here. And I know we've got some fox, we've got some coy dog, and a ton of rabbits, deer, and we've had some bear in the yard twice this year. So I'm using my little garden cart today. I don't think you've ever seen this. You've seen a bunch of trailer videos, but I got this thing for free. And it's got some tires that are a little bit dry rotted, but it works great for stuff like this. You don't usually see me wear a bunch of PPE, but today I'm gonna wear coveralls, face shield, do-rag, and I even got work boots on today. Here we go. I'd say it goes through this stuff pretty good. This is all relatively small. Cuts it pretty easy. Little effort. Not bad. Let's go a little bit deeper and see where we're at. All right, I got about maybe 15 minutes into this so far, and it's working pretty good actually. We got into all of this stuff easy, not really thick. Well, I mean, it's all thick, but the material is not thick. We're gonna get working back into there in a second. All right, that thing kicks some butt. Cuts really well. Of course, it is brand new, but let me show you. This is what we're cutting through down here. 1 inch or so, and just works really well. Now back down in here is a stream, or what's supposed to be a stream. That's the stream right now, because we haven't had any rain in quite some time. Look at that run that goes right through there. Look at this fool. She is so addicted to playing frisbee. I don't really want to do much more. I'm just trying to create an area that's kind of cut back from the yard, and I don't want to get it all grown up. Probably just dive into this area a little bit and then over this way. If I don't do anything to it, it's going to look just like this. And then there's no getting it back. So. Let me show you a few things that I found along the way. Right in this area here, this was all grown in over the top, so it looks like we had an Airbnb in there. I just don't know for what. We also have a little bird nest up in here. Kind of a ways up there. I don't know what's in there. I'm sure whatever was in there is long gone. Anyway, so this Forester blade right here, I'll put a link in the description if you're looking for a blade that'll cut light duty brush, and I'm pretty happy with it because now when I sit on the deck up there, I can have an unobstructed view of everything that's going on in the woods back here. Like I said, we've got fox, we've got coy dogs, we've got bear, we've got deer. We got a little bit of everything here, so with the dogs out in the yard all the time, this is definitely an area that we keep an eye on. So, all right, that's it for today's video. That Forester blade of death for brush and light, you know, everything up to about 1 inch works really well. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you. You are better than most, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.